Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another video. Last time we did wrap up our videos from our trip to Cape York, but I guess you can consider this one a little sneaky bonus take. Somehow we'd gotten to the tip and we'd come to the end of our so-called itinerary and we had 2 spare nights up our sleeve. So we thought, what better way to use them than go and catch a bucket list fish? The Saratoga. We headed south from the tip and went in search of these elusive fish. As 2 complete novices to these fish, we ended up having an absolutely mental session on them and I can't wait to share the footage with you. Let's go! First, we had to tackle one of the dustiest roads ever in a Land Rover with no aircon and bad seals. Honestly, that drive from the tip at Runga Point through Bamaga and across the ferry and down was the dustiest, driest thing ever. Like, look at my hands just from driving. That was just from holding the steering wheel. And the other one as well. So we were stopping for lunch, but I think we're also going to have a shower. Because we are that dirty. Yeah, that was messed up. This cabin is just full of dust. And I'm going to need to get it professionally cleaned, I think. As we drew closer to our destination, the roads got narrower and narrower.
On your left, you will see the rare white-spotted gazelle.
And we definitely got a bit of cabin fever. Sun's just setting right now. There's a million birds. I don't think I've ever felt as remote as this. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Gonna have a fish tomorrow and try and catch a Saratoga. And there's some promising signs down here. Oh, some barramundi scales. Plain as. So someone's been catching them. We're gonna go for an explore tomorrow and try and find some fish. Alright, so we've spent most of the day driving today. We're both a bit buggered. So what are we making here?
We're attempting to make damper. We'll see how
We're making some bush damper.
I've never done it before, and I'm just following some random recipe.
And
we'll see.
We're following a random recipe and we don't have a measuring cup. So to make it better, we're doing a recipe we've never done and we're eyeballing it. So we'll see, but could be good. Wow, that looks really good. Not bad for a complete bush job. Oh my goodness.
It's the tiniest bit doughy in the middle.
Looks good though.
Should be alright.
For those wondering, it was delicious. After a good night's sleep, we were up early. It was toga time. Just driving around up here was like being on safari. We saw scrub bulls, pigs, dingoes, kangaroos and all sorts of birds. Unfortunately, the pig population was pretty high. It's pretty well camouflaged, but see if you can spot this dingo. It wasn't too long before we found some fishy looking water. And this was where our insane session began. Now togas are notorious for having very bony mouths and being good at throwing hooks. So let's keep a score between me and the fish. Yep. Oh, that was a toga. That was the Saratoga, I just lost it. Yeah, it jumped. Yeah, now I've got something else. Yeah, it's another Saratoga. I think so. Lost. Oh my, yep. First one jumped, it was very small. That one there was quite big. It was a cast and I just slow rolled it. Oh. After that little taste, I was so keen to land one of these fish. Oh wow, there's a fish right in the middle. I don't know what that is. Yep. Oh, it's a big toga.
Did you see it?
No.
It's like that big.
Holy shit, you need to keep the hooks in one. I was wondering about Saratoga with like keeping the hooks in them because they've got like a bony mouth, like whether it's best to keep your drag light and let them go or just like try and like rip it into them. Oh, yep. It's a big toga. Gone.
Full game.
Gone.
Oh.
Holy shit, that was a big fish. It was starting to get ridiculous at this point. Oh. Yep. Stay down. I'm gonna land one so bad. They're awesome. After 7 hookups in one spot, the fish finally spooked, and I changed to my lighter, bendier rod. Come on.
Whoa, see the ripples as it swims. Come on.
He's getting tired.
He is, but he wants to jump again.
He doesn't like the bank.
Yes! I was absolutely over the moon. And I discovered how hard they are to hold.
Trying to dump. 66.
Yep. We moved as quick as we could to get this fish back in the water. Yeah, he's getting there. He's right. He's just realizing what's happening.
Come on.
There he goes. Yep. Yeah. Now I'm snagged. Yeah, it's a toga. I didn't think it was.
Yep.
In this next clip, I learnt a bit of a hard lesson in the middle of croc country.
Take it.
The GoPro doesn't show it well, but this bank was nearly vertical and really hard to get back up. The only thing separating this instance and a croc attack is luck. I got complacent and almost paid for it.
I think this snap is me catching the fish.
It's not the big one. Oh, I don't know how we're going to do this. I'm just gonna bring him up and hope that nothing snaps. Pretty much. I don't have any other choice.
We in croc country here.
Oh man.
Toga number 2 of the day.
Toga party.
He's a bit dirty.
Bit dirty.
Oh.
Unfortunately, this was the death of our camera, but we went on to catch 4 more togas, so here's some proof. We couldn't get enough of these beautiful fish, and I can't wait for my next chance to catch one. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and hey, if you're on Instagram, then give us a follow. I'll put the handle up here in the video so I can keep you updated with all the adventures that don't make it to the big screens of YouTube. I'll see you on the next one.